So hi friends, so today we'll be going to look at the candlestick pattern, which is like a bullish candlestick pattern. So this is like a this candlestick pattern is named as a bullish Marubozu. Okay, so which means that the stock, the candlesticks open and low will be the same, and the close and high for the day will be the same, which means that the investors or the traders are willing to buy the stock at the available price. So whatever the price is available for the day, for the entire day, they are willing to buy. Okay, so this is about the bullish Marubozu candlestick pattern. Okay, so this is for an educational purpose, so please do your own analysis before doing the real trade. So now let's go into that live examples of the live chart examples of that bullish Marubozu. Okay, so now we'll be going to look at the Nifty 50. So here you can see that this is the bullish Marubozu candle. So here you can see that this is an entire green candle, and you can see this, the open and low of the candle remains same, almost same. So you can ignore the small wick for the day. So actually the bullish Marubozu candle should not have the wick on either on the downside or on the upsides. Okay, so here you can see this, the bullish Marubozu candle have been formed. So here you can see that its open and low is almost near same, which is like 7745, and it closed at the level of 8322, and also you can see that the high and the close of the candlestick for the day is almost same. Okay, so we can ignore this little bit of the wick, so we cannot have the exact Marubozu most of the time. So okay, so here you can see that there is a bullish Marubozu candle formed. So you can go for the long position by the next day, means like above this high or the close of the previous day's bullish Marubozu candle. Okay, so here you can see that, so this had a high of 8396, and you can go on the long position above this level. Okay, but after you entering that, so the very good thing about the candlestick pattern is that it will always comes with the stop loss with the defined risk. Okay, so here you can see that you should also maintain the stop loss of low of this bullish Marubozu candles. Okay, so here you can see that 7735 is the low of this candle, so this should act as your stop loss for your trade. Okay, so once you have entered this trade, so you can always expect the profit of 1:2. Okay, so if you are taking a 1 rupee as your risk, here you can expect the profit of 2 rupees in this trade. Okay, so here you can see that if let's say you are taking the risk of 100 rupees, then you should 100 points, then you should expect the profit of around 200 points. Okay, so after forming this bullish Marubozu candle, you can see that the stock price actually have started moving up, and it went till the high of like around 9800 levels. Okay, so which is like around, it moved almost like 1500 points it moved. So you don't want to wait till the exact entire points. So if you are achieving the 1:2 ratios, you can always close your trade and you can come out of it by booking your profit, or else like you can trial your stop loss, and you can even also stay with the trade. Okay, so this candle have happened like at the day of 25th March, and again you can see that there is a bullish Marubozu candle which is formed at the day of 20th May, right? So even now this is actually the trade which we can enter, and the stop loss to be maintained here is the low of this bullish Marubozu candle, which is like at the level of 900 level you can maintain, and we can expect the upside move with the proper we can expect the upside move of with the double the size of this candles. Okay, so this is the bullish Marubozu happened last week in the Nifty 50. Okay, and also you don't want to look at the prior trend if there is a bullish Marubozu. Even if the bullish Marubozu candle happens at the sideways or downwards or upward trend, you can always make it as a valid bullish candles, and you can always enter the trade. Okay, I will be showing you the one more trade. Okay, so this is the example of a Bajaj Finance. Okay, so here you can see this as a bullish Marubozu candle which is formed on the day of 8th January. Okay, so after the candle has been formed, you can see that there is a very huge movement happened and it went till like around 4,700. Okay, but after that it started moving downwards. But if you are having the 1:2 risk reward, you will be coming out of this trade in like around 10 to 12 trading days. Or if you are trailing the stop loss after its upward movement, you can also have a very good profit, as it moved from the level of 4,000 to 4,100 to it went till the high of like around almost 4,900 above, right? So this is the very good candlestick, but you cannot find this bullish Marubozu most of the time. And if you found this bullish Marubozu candle with a very good volume, you can always enter this trade as in a long position, and you can have a very good profit as well. And please make sure that you always trade with the proper stop loss here. Okay, so we cannot say that this is like a holy grail strategy which will give you the profit all the time. So if the trade goes against you, you should be ready to accept your loss as well if the trade goes against you. Okay, so always maintain the stop loss at low of your bullish Marubozu candle, and you should enter the trade above the high of the bullish Marubozu candle on the very next day. Okay, so you can always use the 1-day candle, because like this will work most of the time in a positional trade, and for intraday trade the bullish Marubozu, most of the candlestick patterns won't work. Okay, so few candles might work for the intraday, but this bullish Marubozu candles will never work for the intraday. So this is only mainly meant for the positional trade or swing trades. Okay, so this is one of the bullish candles pattern. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. So please do subscribe our channel and like and share our videos if you like this, and please do share our videos to your friends as well if you find this as a useful videos. Okay, so thanks for watching.